All right, folks, here are some encouraging words for the weekend. We are upon the evaluation argument essay, and now is when you're going to bring it together. We've learned how to do PIE paragraphs, how to create a thesis statement, how to do research, how to cite using MLA. And in your approach that you're taking, what I want to see this weekend is your outline and, of course, your thesis statement. It's really important that we get these skeletal structures down because you're all kind of wobbling around as if you were like coming home late at night drunk to an unknown house. And it's completely dark and you're banging around in the furniture and smashing into doorways. And it's just not very pretty. And so, what an outline allows you to do is kind of get the bird's eye view and see, okay, here's my thesis. This is how I'm arranging my argument step by step. These are the resources I'm using to prove my point. So that's your first priority is to get that outline down so I can respond to it. And then once you've got all that set up, writing your evaluation argument rough draft will come easily to you. So your only assignment right now is to get that outline in. And I hope this personal message to each and every one of you spurs you into action. So I see it submitted this weekend. Okay? All right. I look forward to seeing your work and be sure to enjoy yourself with it. All right. Talk to you soon.